Welcome to our educational video on philosophical assumptions in qualitative research. Qualitative research is grounded in various philosophical assumptions. These assumptions include ontological, epistemological, axiological, methodological, rhetorical, and ethical assumptions. Ontological assumptions relate to the nature of reality and how it can be understood. Epistemological assumptions focus on how knowledge is acquired and what counts as evidence. Axiological assumptions consider the values and biases that researchers bring to their work. Methodological assumptions involve the strategies and techniques used to collect and analyze data. Rhetorical assumptions explore the ways in which language and communication shape research. Ethical assumptions address the moral considerations and responsibilities of researchers. Understanding these philosophical assumptions is crucial for conducting rigorous qualitative research. By being aware of these assumptions, researchers can design and implement studies that align with their chosen philosophical frameworks. Thank you for watching our video on philosophical assumptions in qualitative research.